y'all, so today we're making a really interesting pasta casserole, but it's interesting only because I've never heard of this one. It's an Amish recipe, so I actually learned it from a friend in Pennsylvania. You're taking 2 cans of tomato soup and 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, the 10.5 ounce cans. If you find the larger 22 ounce cans, just use one each of those and mix those together really, really well. And then we're going to be adding I'd say about half a tablespoon of garlic. This is not a really, really garlicky dish. So, and then this is 1 whole white onion that we've cut up and diced. And then we're just going to be adding, obviously, a little bit of salt. Not too much, though, because of the soup, and a little bit of pepper. We're also adding a tablespoon of olive oil. And then we're just going to give this a really, really, really good mix. Make sure that there's bits of onion in every single section of the soup mix. And once that's all mixed together, this is a pound of, I'm using 85-15 ground beef, but you can use 90-10 if you want. But it's a pound of ground beef. I promise one of these days I'll do a short video on how to brown your ground beef without making a mess everywhere. And then this is a box of rainbow rotini. You can use regular rotini or actually any kind of pasta here. You can even use spaghetti, which I think is what I saw in the original recipe. But yeah, you're going to go ahead and mix all of this together. It's going to take a minute, but patience will be rewarded, I promise. And once this is all well mixed together, just kind of lay it out so it's all leveled out. And then we're just going to be adding 1 cup, just half a bag of cheddar jack cheese, but you can use any cheese you want. I just like using cheddar jack, but you can use just regular cheddar or, I don't think I've ever seen this with mozzarella, but any kind of cheese blend that you like. And then we're going to be topping the entire thing with just a little bit of paprika. I'm using sweet paprika here, but you can use the smoky kind if you want a smokier flavor. Just make sure that that goes all the way around. And then the whole thing's going to go into a 350-degree oven for about half an hour. Ooh, yes. This looks so good. I can't wait to dig in. Okay, so I'm just going to do a little bit of garnish with, what is that? Some dry parsley. This just goes right on top, just to make it look really pretty. Dig in. Oof. Okay. Ooh, look. That looks amazing. Okay, do a little taste test. Just gonna get some of this pasta. Smells really good in here. That's really good. It's like a tomato soup. You don't really taste the tomato. It's not very, very tomatoey. But super creamy, super delicious, and super, super filling. You should totally make this.